Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to record a loan in ZohoBooks. So let's get started. First, log into your ZohoBooks account and navigate to the Accounts module from the left-hand menu. Click on Plus New Account and select Liability as the account type since loans are considered liabilities. Give your loan account a name like bank loan or personal loan and enter the opening balance if the loan already exists. Next, go to the Transactions section and choose Journal Entries to record the loan disbursement. Select the loan account as a credit and the bank account where the funds were received as a debit. Enter the date, amount, and a brief description for your records. Finally, click Save to record the loan. This ensures your ZohoBooks accounts reflect the loan correctly, and future repayments can be tracked under the same loan account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.